What's up, y'all? This your man Bobby Wash, producer, singer, songwriter, and I'm gonna show y'all a little trick, man. Some secret sauce with reverb and delay. Something I didn't know until recently. Back in the '90s, man, when I used to be in the studio with my engineer, Mr. Ray C. I should say Mr. Grammy-nominated engineer from Atlanta, Ray C. He did some stuff with Sierra for Goodies and some other people, Lil Jon and Usher. He's my good friend from actually high school, my beta brother. But anyway, he was my engineer back in '96, and he used to pull out his calculator. I'm like, why does Ray have this calculator for reverb and delay? Why is he pulling out the why is he doing math? But I was like, I'm not an engineer, I'm not a producer at this time. I was just a singer at the time, so I didn't pay no attention. But now I know why. These things have delay times that need to be precise to your tempo of your track. If not, you're gonna have a bunch of stuff that's not balancing and kind of bouncing all over the place and causing noise. And not sounding good. And before, I used to just go by ear, like a lot of you, I'm sure, doing now. So basically, I'm gonna show you what it sounds like. I'm gonna put it all the way wet at the correct time, right? The tempo is 81, and I have the millisecond for this at 0.741, which turns to be 75, right there, right? I'm gonna let you hear it's all wet, right? So it ain't gonna sound right, but you're gonna see that it don't sound terrible. Watch.
It's 1 o'clock in the morning, and we laying here in bed, and we both know what we about to do, yeah. I like for you to turn on, show me what you're working with.
Now, of course, I'm not gonna have that much in. I'm gonna back off of it, but I just want you to hear how it sounds full blast. Now, I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna move it so I can go back. Now, this is how I would normally do it by ear. I would keep it at like 180 or 175, right? Normally, and I'll back off of it to make it, sound better. But this is how it sounds full blast at 180.
It's 1 o'clock in the morning, and we laying here in bed, and we both know what we about.
If you hear it, it's all over the place. It's mushy and all over the place. But if I back off of it, it'll sound a little bit better, but still not correct. So again, let's go back to the right time, and then I'll back off the right time. Hold on. 0.741. And it's 0.741 because that's 0.741 milliseconds. I'm sorry, it's 740.74 milliseconds, which breaks down to be 0.741 seconds, which is 75 seconds. Because the tempo is 81. Okay, down there you see the tempo. Okay, so now I'm gonna back off it from this.
It's 1 o'clock in the morning, and we laying here in bed, and we both know what we about to do, yeah. I like for you to turn on over, show me what you're working with. You be killing me, oh baby, let me give you what you need. Hey, it's 1 o'clock in the morning, and we laying here in bed, and we both know what we about to do, yeah.
So it's in perfect time, and it's not bouncing all over the place. You do the same thing with the pre-delay. You also do the same thing with the delay, as far as the echoes. So I'm gonna leave there's a website that I'm gonna put in my description that you can click on, that you can just put in your tempo. It's gonna automatically map out your milliseconds, which you'll just go to Google and say, well, convert this 740.74 milliseconds to seconds, and it'll give you the proper seconds that you can put in whatever reverb or delay you decide to use, okay? So I hope this video helped you guys out. It really helped me out. Now my mixes are sounding so much better. They're sounding cleaner. Nothing is bouncing like crazy, and it just sounds nice, man. And I'm able to put just enough reverb, whereas before I had to put more reverb, less reverb, to make it sound good because I had the wrong seconds, all right? This is Bobby Wash. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell. All right, peace and blessings. Yo.
These 3 hats have 3 different meanings. I'm gonna break them down hat by hat. This hat represents me, the family man, husband and father. This hat represents me, the musician, producer, singer, songwriter, street promoter. This hat represents me as a filmmaker, feature films, and vlogging. These hats also represent where I'm from, Miami. The cliche, you're a jack of all trades. but somehow I managed to master all three. I'm Bobby Washington, and these are my vlogs.